Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will learn how to draw a scene of horse stable drawing. Start with drawing the horse. Draw a bean-like shape for the midsection. Use basic shapes to draw the horse. Keeps the strokes light in the first stage so later we can add details. Now draw the man standing in front of the horse who is feeding the horse. The man is holding a vessel in his hand which is containing the horse feed. And one more thing to keep in mind is the difference between the proportions of the man and the horse. Now let's draw the character standing next to the horse who is petting the horse. Use the same method we used for the first two characters using basic shapes. Now draw in the final character who is in the back bringing some more hay which the horse eats. His right hand is holding the hay over his head, so draw accordingly. Take some time and draw the details of the characters like the expressions and details of the clothes. If you are enjoying the video, don't forget to like the video. Erase the light strokes and darken them, which will be our final outline. After that, draw in the background of the stable. While drawing the background, keep in mind the proportions of the props and the perspective as well. Adding small details like the cloth hanging from the roof help in building the environment of the scene. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't. We upload tutorial every Saturday and Sunday. Once you are done with the background, now let's move on to coloring the sketch. Make sure strokes are uniform and in the same direction, so the sketch looks more cohesive. While coloring, one thing you should keep in mind is the proportion of colors so that you can have a balanced sketch. Carefully blend the colors together so the sketch looks livelier. Make sure to pay attention to the source of light, as it will define the position of shadows and highlights on the sketch. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe for more such content. And there we have it, an interesting drawing of a horse stable. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.